Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to look at a mortise lock. We're looking at the 5090/3SC. So this is a BRAVA mortise lock designed for aluminium shop front doors for commercial applications, and they're available on our lock shop under Mortice Locks. So we've got an aluminium faceplate. We've got a couple of cylinders here. Two cylinders, same type cylinders, two keys. Put them there. Here we have our lock. There's our lock. So they come in three different configurations: short throw, long throw, and hook bolt. Hook bolt is for when you've got two doors that come together and the hook comes out and actually hooks into the striker plate. This one here is just the short throw, which means the bolt is a particular length, and the bolt is 22mm. Funny that. Okay, so I'm just going to activate it, and there you can see the bolt protruding there. So in theory, vernier calipers have died. That sucks. Alright, so about 22mm, which is about right from where it would protrude from the edge of the door. Lock itself, when the cylinders are used, that's pretty much what's happening. If you can see this, I'll use a small screwdriver. The cylinders will activate that bolt, pop it down, and that is a dead bolt. It's solid. You can't push that down. It goes into a locked position. Okay, so it pops up, pops down. Here's our faceplate here. So you put that into the door there. You would put that into the door, and it's got a funny angle here to allow you to slide it into the door. So it goes in like that. So that's why they take the edge off. You put your cylinders in. They're retained by a screw, which is this one here. It's like a pin. It's got a screw thread on there. You put your cylinder in there, you screw it in, and it's in there. Once you've done left and right cylinder, make sure that you've got your top and body screw in there, come along with your faceplate and pop that over the top, just like so. The reason this is sticking out is because this would be part of your door. Where this plastic is part of your door, here and there. And then you put your three screws in for your faceplate, and away you go. When you turn your key, you'll find the bolt will pop up. When you turn the key, you find the bolt will pop down. To make it nice and sexy, we have dress rings. Dress rings go around the edge of the cylinder, so when you've got your cylinder sticking through the door like so, you'll have it sticking through, and there might be a little bit of a rough edge there where it's been filed and cut out. Simply place one of these over the top and push it as far down, and that will make it a nice finish around the edge. So this is the short throw on the 22mm. There's the longer one, which it just means it's got a longer bolt, exactly the same in every way. And then there's the hook bolt, which is the same in every way except for you've got a striker that goes on the other door, and it's got a bit of a hook here. So these locks are good. Commercial aluminium shop front doors is where they're used all the time. They're not used in places that you might need a fire egress or free lever to handle to exit. So if you're using it on a front door that's like an exit door, it's not really suited for that. There is different models of locks that are actually more suited for that, where they actually can have a lever handle on the inside. But this one here, it's purely just key on one side or key on both sides, completely up to you. Shop front commercial door locks. If you find that your lock on your door is playing up and you just want to buy a replacement kit and all the rest, you can simply do that. One trick to note is that when you're putting your lock into the door, put a screwdriver through the hole or something, or tie a string onto it, because if you drop this into the door, you're going to be having a really bad day. So when you're putting the lock into the door, 100% do whatever you can to make sure that that is not going to get dropped, that being the secret sauce of the sandwich. Okay, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.